Your guys' first voyage. Welcome to Mount Roberts Tram. I'm John. I'm your drummer. Don't leave home without one. If you came here 100 years ago, you'd come down this channel playing your drum, announcing yourself, letting us know you're coming in. You'd be singing. And we'd hear you, and so we'd invite you in. Where are you from? We'd say, meaning, where are you, child of Canada? Kuanina. Come on in. Come on in and sing with us. Let's go. One more. Where are you from?
Juneau.
Juneau Kwan, you're part of the welcoming committee. Who's from out of town?
Colorado.
Colorado?
South Carolina.
California? Colorado. South Carolina. Come on, let's sing. One more. Welcome to Juneau, everybody. Welcome to Juneau. Should be spotting quite a few eagles today. They're going to be trying to fly under the weather here today.
Right.
There was, we're heading up to the Sky Bridge here on Shaw, yes. And there seem to be 3 or 4 eagles that are just hovering around there right now.
They're just all there.
We also have an eagle in residence that you can just go meet, Lady Baltimore. She's unable to fly, and so they've been taking care of her up here in the Raptor Center for going on 10 years now, you know. And so she's become an educational eagle for us. When we were kids like you over here, we'd sing in the mornings to get us going. We'd sing the get our blood moving to pick berries. Pick some berries. Well, if you're not Alaska, and this isn't a scorcher to you, there's a lot of good indoor activities up here. There's a film in the theater called Seeing Daylight about the Tlingit people, about my mother's people. This is my mom's drum here, an eagle drum. My Tlingit name is Daku Dane. It means that guy from the tram. She was a visionary. The top part of the building is Raven Eagle Gifts and Galleries.
Wow.
Shop and so much more. Such as like a museum/museum. There, you know, to admire a lot of the native artwork and the artifacts and the arts and crafts, and of course all kinds of good shopping. It's Lady Baltimore in that opening right there. Further down the trail is the Nature Center, and they can give you all the information you want about the mountain in terms of its wildlife, the plants, and the growth. They use a lot of the plants up here to make a variety of teas, and they have a tea time in there, and a small film, so it's rather interesting. And many other things, but Buddhist Chish, that means thank you. Buddhist Chish. You know, special time for you folks, and you came and shared it with us.
Yuhatuasak. So, what I just said right there, folks, is I was speaking in my native tongue, known as Tlingit. Now, an easy way to remember how to pronounce that, just like how we dress, clean cut. So with that in mind there, folks, quick translation. Hello. It's good to see your faces today, especially with those things on them called smiles. Appreciate that. Daniel, Yuhatuasak. My name is Daniel. And of course, I'll be your host with the most, taking you back down to the little city of the Northwest Coast. So folks, and hopefully you all enjoyed your visit up here in our lovely mountain today, also known as Shahit. And with that in mind there, folks, on the way down, I'll just point out some areas of interest that you may want to go check out, since you're probably going to go visit the rest of our town today. So it is a shame to see all of you leaving so much. It is just a bummer, because it's just going to be me going back up. So with that in mind there, folks, hopefully I'll be able to convince you to come back up with us here in a bit, with a few things here and there, maybe some jokes, maybe some laughs, get to know each other's cultures, and of course, point out the eagles that are flying around here. So with that in mind there, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are actually wanting to explore the rest of our town and who actually want to get the big experience out of it, my recommendation is Sandy Beach. It's probably one of the best places to go check out trail-wise. Because if you're exploring through there, you happen to find a trail for yourself at any point. It's actually a man-made beach, which actually was carved out by the old mining company that was across the channel there. In which case there, folks, you can actually find all the old tools and equipment that were left behind, as well as some old traditional native items, and something as recent as an iPod. You know, a lot of people always keep going out there trying to find treasures and having to drop their stuff out there. But for those of you folks looking to stay within the boundaries of the ship itself, or if you happen to want to have a short travel through town, my recommendation would either take the two roads, which is either boardwalk or the little street that's actually closest to the mountain. Now, the boardwalk can lead you to the Patsy Ann Memorial, which is actually a great place to get a quick picture in with Patsy Ann. She was actually a nice little dog who used to welcome any and all visitors coming into Juneau and wishing them good luck. Alright, looks like we're getting up in the open there. So though, folks, for those of you who actually want to explore a little bit more of the town but not go too far, if you just follow this street that's closest to the mountain here, along the way you'll actually make yourself into the middle of downtown Juneau. In which case it can basically consists of about 18 bars and about 6 gift shops, so feel free to go check that out. Always a fun little thing. Starts off with the Dog Saloon. There is construction happening in the street, but you can always walk around it. Other than that, though, you actually got a pretty cool little toy shop. There is the Trading Post and Hashagu. Those are the two primary carving shops that I always recommend, because the art that they have there is pretty authentic, a lot more than others. I mean, I'm not saying other gift shops are less authentic, but I'm just saying their Trading Post is probably a little bit more authentic, only just because my uncles actually work there. Yeah, so there, folks, if you ever want to pick up like a drum or maybe some carvings or small paintings in Tlingit art form, also known as Northwest Coastal Art Form Line Designs. Boy, that is a mouthful. Yeah, those are the good two shops, the Trading Post, Hashagu, and a few others along the way. In which case, you can get small paddles of the traditional sense, and of course, some handmade carvings, some small totem poles here and there. They even have guitars and whatnot. What? Yeah, it's pretty neat stuff. They even have the tennis shoes to go along with it. And of course, those of you folks who are looking to go a little bit further into town, there's basically the Centennial Hall, A&B Hall, in which case those are where we mostly host all of our events for native traditional kuiks. That's such a hard word to say, kuik, also known as our gatherings. So folks, looks like we made it to our final destination.